Upon a misty hilltop, high within the mountain ranges of the Piemonte, stands the historic Loro Piana manufactory. To this lofty place, by water, air and land, come the cloud-like bales of precious wools, clipped from rare creatures that dwell at the furthest corners of the earth, the plateaus of Mongolia, the altitudes of the Andes, the meadows of the Antipodes. And here they are transformed into the finest cashmere, vicuña, and wool in the world. The natural elements that have forged the softness of the fleeces are harnessed yet again in the dressing, weaving, and finishing of the materials. And now the human factor is all important. Each millimeter of the many million meters of fabric produced here annually is inspected by expert eyes. Every single strand of fiber scrutinized, then meticulously checked again by skillful hands to ensure its color, softness, and consistency. And then, and only then, is it deemed ready to be fashioned into the elegant, luxurious clothing for which Loro Piana is renowned.